Hey guys, Sid here. Welcome to this Hall of Fame interview, and I'm here with Sandeep Gupta, who's from Bangalore, originally from Lucknow, and he's somebody who's from the banking space. He's a banker, and he's worked with all the top banks that you can think of. And his passion area is in personal finance and helping people overcome debt and all the formulas that he has actually created over the years. So he came into our coaching system 6 months ago, and in the last few days, he's been able to achieve over 6.2 lakhs by digitizing his knowledge and helping others. He's got a community of over 100 students right now. So, Sandeep, first of all, congratulations on really breaking through and achieving the results in a very short span of time. Amazing.
Thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. It's all credit goes to you.
Yeah, I mean, thank you for that. And many people, when they see numbers like this, especially in our community, they feel, is it really possible? Tell us about that point when you actually started. Like, I know for even the conversation that we had before this, I know that you've tried different things in the past, but in the last 6 months, you have been able to accomplish so many things, especially after lockdown. Just tell us that point of when you got into my community and what started to happen immediately after that.
Yeah. So thank you so much for this opportunity, Siddharth. And first thing is that I started approximately in March or April when like the lockdown started, and then I
Mm,
got a good amount of time because of work from home.
mm,
Then I started looking at how I can accelerate. Actually, I was knowing you through Ashish Juneja, so I'm really grateful to him. He brought
nice.
me into this platform, and thank you so much. And he helped me a lot. And then I was just taking not very into the good way that I
Mm,
need to do because I was very good in offline space. So
mm,
workshops I was taking and all those things. Then
mm,
when there is no opportunity, then I started exploring and jumped into the hackathon. And then April I did not do too much because I was too much in my head rather than start working
mm,
on that one. And each and everything whatever I was doing previously as well, but
mm.
not monetizing that.
Okay.
So when I
Mm,
started monetizing that one, then I just taste the blood of money, and
mm,
then I became the freedom finisher in May. And then first webinar I took on the 31st of May. It was my uh, father's death anniversary, so gratitude
mm,
to him. And then I started working along with this journey. And only one thing is that I never stopped myself doing anything. Each and
mm.
everything, whatever was possible, I started doing. So if you look
Awesome.
my Facebook group, even not a single second video was available before May, and right now approximately 100 hours content is available. That's all. That's
Wow.
a major
Wow.
break. And it was
So,
only
so in
thing
the
is
month of March, you did not have any online presence, zero, in the
zero,
sense.
only family photos, all those stuff, normal stuff
Mm,
used to happen. Yes,
mm, mm,
absolutely. And then it was the breakthrough actually how I can present myself to in front of the camera and all. And
mm,
then when you started accountability, all those things,
mm.
then we started working. Me and Sunil Poddar are my accountability partner. We
Nice, nice.
took that initiative and then we will started working on that.
Fantastic. So you actually have followed the sequence that I actually teach in the curriculum. So you came in, you finished the hackathon, you hit the Freedom Finisher Award, which was in the month of May.
May done.
So yeah, so June, July, August, September, now like literally 5 months. So in the last, how many months it took for you to achieve 6.2 lakhs? 5 months?
5 months exactly. 5 months.
5 months.
5 months,
Okay, okay.
10 days, 15 days.
Fantastic, fantastic. So you actually achieved that. You might have crossed the 3 lakh barrier in the third or fourth month, right?
31st August only I have mailed you because on 30th August I have a crossed 3 lakh rupees. I was very excited
Mm,
asking my accountability partner how to go
mm,
about this one because everybody was very excited because we started all together. Me, Sunil Podar, and
mm,
Sachin Hepar, and
mm.
Ashish Naza, everybody was together. And
Yes.
just
Mm.
we created actually a mastermind who worked very well for us.
Fantastic. That's really powerful because sometimes when you're on your own, you just don't take it seriously. But when you have an accountability system, which we have actually created in our community, and it's beautiful. And I'm glad that you found these people. And I mean, that's really priceless. And each one of you might have been pushing each other to get things done, right?
Absolutely. We
Mm,
don't want to pay you 100 rupees because you said that the day you will miss, you need to pay. And we took a call. No, bro, it is not going to happen. I know that it's not easy because he's also working full-time job. I am also working full-time job from 10
mm,
o'clock, 11 o'clock to 9:30. And then I have a small daughter of less than 2 years old.
mm,
I
mm.
need to I need to just make her sleep. Then 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, again from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, I just recorded my video. Then again from 10
Wow.
o'clock, I started uh, uh, working for the
Amazing, amazing commitment. All of you here watching, did you just get what he said? He's still working in a job, and after, and besides taking care of his family, he's actually implementing this. So Sandeep, that's what it takes, because many people, they give excuses. I do not have time. I do not have money. I don't have resources. I don't have the right situation. I don't have the right webcam. I don't have the right studio, whatever. So I think all of these, you're able to break through. So tell us about, yes, Freedom Finisher, you did it. Were you a technical person
No,
before this?
it is.
Tell us about all the systems. Did you set up all the systems on your own?
Till today I am not technical person. I ask help from, but the best thing is in me that I ask help. I don't hesitate to ask help, and
Mm.
I am really blessed that I get every person in my life perfect time, perfect contributor. That's what my
Mm.
magic formula is. And I even take responsibility for others to get the business breakthrough in their life, and that is what
Mm.
commitment I make. So I'm not
Mm.
technical person. Even I do not, in my first time in my life I prepare 7 hours PPT by watching your webinar selling formula. First time in
Mm.
my life, 7 hours, 8 hours to it. And that
Mm.
was the breakthrough actually. I have a
Amazing.
set the great response, then demo account which you asked to
Mm.
take that one, and then teachable.
Mm.
Obviously I was having a teachable account, so I uploaded all the videos, 4 hours,
Mm.
3 hours, 6 hours, everything was meticulously done. Only one
Mm.
thing was that I started taking action. That was the only magical formula I will let you.
Action, action. All of you watching this, type action in the comment box. So amazing. So you came in the month of March. May you hit the Freedom Finisher Award, and now 6 months down the line, Hall of Fame. Actually, you would have done Hall of Fame earlier, 3 lakh, but you waited a little bit more for this interview. And tell us about the whole process of niche clarity and curriculum design, because you've been doing this trainings even in the past, like in the finance, personal finance.
Yes.
How did you have to re-engineer for the online space? Tell us about that.
So when I started listening to you, I got one thing very clear, that it is not that I need to know a lot of things, then I need to put into this structure. So I
Mm-hmm.
attended a couple of workshops. Vivek Gangadhar, I bought his
Yeah.
course as well. Yeah, thank you so much. He's my right. Even I know better than him in the other space, but this was a new formula for me. Yeah.
Mm.
So everybody is a master of their own niche and all. So I
Yes.
got a little bit hint from him. Then 99 rupees, 100 rupees, 300. I spent a lot of money in reinventing that how I can put into this structure.
Mm.
And then I understood only one thing. Whatever my true flavor has to come in the market, not the
Yes.
copy and cat. And that's why I started working on all those things. So each
Mm.
and everything, whatever I have done, it is my own flavor, by my commitment, my own conviction. And I don't talk so much big things, only small things. I just ask people to take action,
Mm.
and they, that's all. Because a
Mm.
small steps will make everybody successful. I
Mm.
always use one liner in my webinars and all those things, and
Mm.
people love it. Yeah, I
Mm.
speak, your personal finance is your personal responsibility.
Amazing. Amazing. How long did it take for you to break through your fears when it comes to camera, facing camera?
Facing camera, it took me 1 2 day. I just sat in my sofa and started shooting,
Mm.
but it was not working. Then 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, somebody said that only 1 minute or 2 minutes you start shooting. 3 to 4 days it took me, and then I did not care that what people will be saying, and I just went through whatever process. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day you spoke about, and we gone through, and now it became a very natural actually.
Mm.
In my webinar also I speak to people, don't judge me now that all recorded videos are 5 months old. So
Mm.
you will get a new Sandeep Gupta in the next curriculum. Yeah, that's what I.
Mm. Nice, nice. So it's about just practicing and going through that, breaking through. The more you do, the more you get comfortable. So all of you are watching this, especially if you're somebody in our community also, and you have this fear, okay, should I do on video? Should I not do on video? I mean, just go and do it. And I'm sure the hackathon would have helped you. I mean, did you complete all the hackathon days, the influence building, Facebook Live, all of that stuff?
Not even a single thing we missed. Me, Sunil, not even a single thing we missed actually. We did each and everything so meticulously, boss. This is the last time to just fly. That's all.
Amazing. So it would have given you confidence in, one is the video part, writing. It would have given like story writing and all of that stuff. Would have, you would have probably got some good responses on that. And the other thing I ask people to do is a podcasting. So tell us about that experience. How was that experience in influence building?
So influence building, I started whatever sequence you told me, we did each and everything. And this is the first time we started sharing in front of the people with my
Mm.
community, family members, friends, and all. People started enjoying that one.
Mm-hmm.
And people who was not existing even 6 months ago, and right now he's in the social media space, right? In YouTube channel, podcast I released every week at least 2 to 3 activities we were doing in terms of podcast or writing article or creating a
Mm.
YouTube. video or going live. Even till now I don't know how to go on Facebook live, but I take help from somebody and just do it. That's
Mm,
all we need,
mm,
right? So everybody started actually noticing, and right now I really want to acknowledge you for that, that
mm,
the formula which you have given is working for me. And it's not about
mm.
the formula, it's a method only. We need to just follow that song, because
Yes,
we are
yes.
so much into the head, we don't work with the head.
Mm, true, true. Even for me, when I was like many years before that, I was struggling for a long time. And when my mentor Vic, so when he would tell me like something, I would just follow it because the formula is proven. I had to just implement it with my own flavor. That's it, and that's exactly what you've done. And all of you are watching, if you're in our community, I see I've given all of you a framework, but you're flexible to change that framework within that framework to the way that you want based on your niche, based on your person. And that's exactly what you've done, Sandeep. Is even though you've got the formula, you have adapted it, you've learned from others, you've and created something unique of your own. So that's the really important part over here. Um,
Actually, formula don't care even you know or you don't know. Only you
mm,
need to put into the formula, that's all. It doesn't
mm,
matter that if 1a plus b is equal to c, it doesn't matter you are good or bad or expert or nothing, right?
mm.
Only you need to learn the formula, apply it, that's all, khatam.
Exactly, exactly. And that's what I cover. Like, there's a formula for influence building, which I cover in Hackathon. There's a formula for your system setup, which I cover in the setup challenge. There's a formula for Facebook ads, which I also cover. There's a formula for webinar selling. Tell us about your experience in webinar selling. Like, how many webinars have you done till now? And walk us through that journey. I know you've told me this earlier, but what was that journey like?
So till now I have done 41 webinars continuously. First month only, I just wanted to show with your permission, if you allow me to.
Please share that.
So this is my dashboard, what I want to show you, everything over here. So this is my 31st of May, which is running
Mm,
registration, attendance, time, sales, total, cost of FB, CPL, everything. So
mm.
first 3 webinars I have done free of cost, which is
Okay.
organic. And
Mm,
then I started FB ad. I have hired one agency also who has taken me money, but we do not got the results. And then we started from 28, 153 leads, then
mm,
38 attended, 1 hour, 20 minutes webinar, one sale, 39,000, and
mm,
then 6,000 rupees FB ad, then CPL and CPS. This is what I have done. And this is the magical formula. For every month I
mm,
was doing 13 webinar, 1100 people came into my system, 440 people attended,
mm.
1 hour 35 minutes is average, 26 sale, 1,04,000 rupees is the sale,
Mm.
36,000 rupees FB cost, 40,000 rupees CPL, and this one. And this is profitability 300% per webinar, earning 17,000, profited 11,000. This is June
Fantastic.
and July. Then
Mm,
I started working for 2 webinars in a week,
mm,
Sunday and Wednesday,
mm.
11 o'clock Sunday. This is Sunday, registration, attendance. And then we started working on the Facebook ad. All those things has been meticulously. And this is September. And right now this is October.
Amazing, amazing. All of you just type amazing in the comment box
And
because,
this is
yeah,
what I want to show you, that this is the whole picture I have taken. How much money somebody has paid me for giving me email ID, how much money I made on a single transaction. If somebody is giving me email ID, how much I am breaking even, each and everything I am recording. And I love
mm.
numbers.
And so your overall profitability is at what percentage right now? You're a finance guy, so tell us about that.
Approximately it is 70%
Mm,
converting, because I am right now, I haven't designed too much about the second level product.
mm.
So if I'm putting 100 rupees, 160 rupees is coming, 160 to 170 rupees.
160. So 1.6 to 1.7x, close to 2x. Okay. Mm,
Perfect. And this is only through webinar and my this model. Apart from this, I have other uh,
mm.
programs which I keep running along with that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. So all of you are watching, just type amazing in the comment box because the way that you are able to look at your numbers will start to talk to you. Like even for me, when I'm, sometimes we think in our mind, okay, let's do this, let's run a different image, let's run a different ad, let's try something unique. But once the data is talking to you, then you just need to follow the pattern over there. And whenever it's moving up or down. So I'm really happy that you are visually looking at your data on a daily basis. Like it's right in front of your eyes. So that's awesome. Great to know, Sandeep.
Even
Mm,
I have Excel sheet, but on weekly basis I do that one. But
mm,
it keeps me motivating, boss. Last time you have made 120 registration, now 125, and not too much big changes, only 10 to 15% per webinar. My show up ratio was approximately till August, September, 45%.
mm,
I had a team, then they were calling. Whatever I was having, I was just optimizing. I
mm,
was not too much expert, but whatever money I was putting, I was optimizing. Whatever resources I was having, I was optimizing. Even today, I don't have a webcam. I don't have a what do you say, this mic, whatever you are using.
Mm.
Yeah, but I have MacBook. So each and everything, people think that there are so many things. Are actually, I was also in my head. I was thinking
Mm.
that until unless I don't get green cover,
Screen, yeah.
green till 6 days only, I wasted that there.
Mm.
And even today, I'm not using that one. And that is
Mm.
what miracles happen, right?
Yeah, all of you watching, you don't need everything to be perfect. You just need to get started. That's the more important thing. Yeah.
That's why I asked
Mm.
my community members that swimming course doesn't doesn't happen in the correspondence. You need to jump, and then
Jump in. Yeah.
somebody will come and they will train you how to swim, and
Mm.
that's all. But only one courage you need to do. You need to just jump, and if anybody can swim, you also can swim. Only matter is
Absolutely.
you are jumping.
No matter how many books you read about swimming, you can never swim until you jump in. And same thing with martial arts. No matter how many books you read on martial arts, you have to actually go and fight, to make it happen.
And
So
for your information, more than 300 books I have read till now since last 3.5 years, 4 years. Attend
wow, wow.
each and everything. And whenever book launch is happening, I must be present there. And that is what my lobby. And because of that kind of environment I created in my life, I have written this co-authored book called The Billionaire Mindset. In the same
Nice.
journey, same 6 months, same
Nice.
4 months ago, I have written, right? This is a anthology, volume number 1. And
Mm.
each and everything in my life, whatever is coming, seamless, without too
Mm.
much effort. But only one thing is that I am very committed whatever I do.
Excellent, excellent. Tell us, Sandeep, how has coming into this community impacted your life? I'm just saying, before coming into Internet Lifestyle Hub, what were the patterns of your life, and then what patterns shifted after coming inside here? Because that shift in patterns is what's creating results for you. You've written a book, you've done so many, you've accomplished so much in a short span of time. Tell us about the before and after pattern shifts by being a part of this community.
Yeah. So thank you so much for asking.
Mm.
So only one thing is that I got a full structure and like-minded people.
Mm. Mm.
And I keep seeing the people. I was maybe that first 3-4 months, I did not even miss in a single morning, uh, 11 o'clock
The leadership council call. Yeah. Mm.
leadership council, plus apart from this facilitators meeting. I never
Yes. Meetups. Yes.
meetups. Yes, yes. I never miss that. At least till September, I did not miss that. And
Mm.
I'm getting that people are doing so many things. This person is giving so much things. Let me work on a single parameter, start working on that one. So
Mm.
it kept me engaged actually.
Mm.
And goal card, all the creeds, whatever you spoke about, I just followed. Yes, not
Mm.
100%, but somewhere, right? And
Mm.
then because I clearly I was knowing if I went out of this space, maybe that it's a it is not going to happen. Then
Mm.
plus accountability partner plays a different role. And then when you start sharing the success, I just wanted to know that
Mm.
until unless you are not sharing the knowledge with the people, I'm telling you, you are not going to get transformed.
Yeah. Because when you are giving knowledge to others, you are also preparing for that. So you are also going to the transformation. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And apart from this,
Mm.
the more you give, the more you get. That's all.
Mm.
And that has been the value system. If people pay me 5,000 rupees, I am promising them within 5 to 10, 20 days, I will be making sure that 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees you are saving or optimizing or selling something which doesn't work.
Mm. Mm. Awesome. Awesome, Sandeep. So that whole aspect of community, pattern shifts, those rituals, those habits, whatever, everything has actually shifted in your life, and I think that's what is creating the results. And this, every time I interview people in the Hall of Fame, those things, the strangest secret in the world, goal cards, creed, writing goals, all of these actually add up to the kind of results that people are getting. Okay, next question is more to do with your personal life. How has your personal life been impacted? I'm talking about family life and other things because of what you're doing right now.
Perfect. Right now I have a good family life. I have a beautiful wife.
Mm.
Name is Pankri Gupta. Thank you so much for her efforts and just
Mm.
keeping my daughter to engage. My daughter is right now
Yeah,
23 months old, and she keeps
nice.
coming in
Sweet.
my she keeps coming in my room, and she's taking care of her. Because of both of their efforts, I am here. Why I'm
Absolutely.
telling you, because of their contribution, even I can't do anything. Because
Yeah,
if she's
same
crying,
here.
I can't take webinar, and I can't. And even my wife knows that until unless I will not go to the bed, Sanvi will not sleep, right?
Mm,
She made sure that from 1 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, I be with her once she sleeps, and then I come back and record all those things. And whenever
mm.
I'm talking to you, still I just asked her, requested, कि भाई अभी इसको manage करना है, right? So I'm telling you, my 23 uh, months old daughter is so meticulously doing each and everything, even we don't know. I
Mm,
do meditation on 11:11 every day. So
mm,
whenever I am just that prayer starts, she comes and just sit along with me.
mm.
And that
Amazing.
I have this piggy bank along with me. I train people, everybody, that your personal finance is not your personal responsibility. Right now, it became your family responsibility,
Yes. Mm,
because you are making money, somebody is spending money, somebody is growing money. If you are not earning in a great way, maybe that your family members are not saving or investing in a great way, right?
mm.
So my wife has a profound impact in this one, because she has been seeing me since last couple of years. I have been doing so. She has also 4 or 5 purses where she is managing all the home stuff, right? So that
Mm.
was commitment actually takes, apart from this, nothing.
Fantastic, Sandeep. Yeah, even for me, same thing. Without my wife's support, nothing is possible. Family support. So let's give it up for all the backbone of the families. In fact, not just you and I, everybody else watching, all our community members. I'm sure it's the same thing even for you. You would not be where you are unless you had some support system, and let's acknowledge that. So, Sandeep, how does it feel now that you're crossing over 100 students, and now you're literally you're building a community around your passion area. How do you feel? Like what is running through your mind every day when you wake up in the morning?
So I feel that there is a huge responsibility on my shoulders actually, because
Mm,
it is not about I am training one simple person who paid me 5,000 rupees or
mm,
3,000 rupees. It's about the family they are living in. Because if you
absolutely.
took a debt, it means you will be not having a sufficient disposal income to enjoy with the family members, and that
Mm,
has been the pain area.
mm,
Because if
mm.
60-70% of your money is going for the EMIs, you are left with only 20 to 30% of your income. How the family is being suffered is the question. So I
Yes.
started speaking in my live webinar. First ground rule is that if you have a kids and your family member, grandfather, dada, mama, chacha, chachi, kaka, kaki, anybody is in your home, ask them to sit in front of my webinar. Why I'm telling you? Because it's not about your personal matter right now. It's
Mm,
became right now family matter. And I will tell you one things to your kid, and next 30 years if he does the same thing, I'm telling you, at the age of 25 or 30 he will become financially free.
amazing, amazing.
Because
Mm,
it's about small things which I tweak and take it to the next level, and that has been my uh,
mm,
responsibility for each and every family member of the purchaser, or the people who are coming into my community, and I
mm,
give each and everything to them, not about the finance only. If
mm,
they want to learn any of the possibility in the life by writing the books or anything, whatever I have, I can
mm.
afford, I keep working on them. So it is not about the client and
Yeah.
businessman, seller or buyer relations. It
Mm.
became a family matter actually.
Family. It is
And
a
that is what
community.
I,
Mm,
yeah, community, yes. And I want to nurture my community in the way that nobody has nurtured actually.
mm. Fantastic, Sandeep. That is what makes this business model such a unique business model, because everywhere else it's very transactional, but here we are committing ourselves to their success, more like a lifetime commitment that we're making, and they are part of the journey. We do inner circle calls. I'm sure you're also doing your inner circle mastermind with your
Absolutely.
paid. So you're always there to handhold them, support them, and take them to that finish line, and that's what makes this whole thing so much. And every time you take someone to one milestone finish line, like this Hall of Fame interview is, I feel really proud that that you actually implemented it and you've crossed this first milestone. The next milestone is the 1 crore mark. But I'm saying that it's amazing to see people. This is the first time we are even talking with each other, Sandeep. The beauty about this game is people will follow you, they will take action, they'll get results, and you'll never know the kind of impact that you're actually creating. It's going on on a high leveraged mode, because it's all digitized and automated. So really, every time, even for me, every day I wake up is I'm thinking about how one more person I can impact. One more person today, one more person. Does not have to be thousands, even though it's going to thousands, but it's that making that difference to one person's life. And I'm sure you're feeling that feeling every morning right now. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. I reach out to the people who are my clients and asking them, if I made a profound difference in your life, then only recommend. Otherwise, tell me which kind of capability or things I need to work on myself so that I can give you better. Because I keep learning every day. I keep noticing
Mm.
that what can I done, right? So
Mm.
I keep asking that what is the things which you want, and if you got benefit from that one, just message to the people who are around, because I am telling you, it's
Mm.
not good that other people is poor and I'm rich. It's about that
Mm.
how I can make them to uplift as well. And
Yes.
only education is missing. I tell people as well, you
Mm.
took 250 hours to work in a month in a corporate job, but how much time you take to manage your finance? Not even a 1% of the time.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's a huge, big point over there. Most people neglect that.
And it
Mm.
doesn't matter how much money you make, it matters that how what you do with what you have, whatever money you have, what you
Mm.
do with that, what you, because each and everything is optimized, right? So
Mm.
it was no problem when you are not knowing, but if you are knowing and you are not doing, it means that you are not knowing at all.
Mm. Absolutely. Fantastic, Sandeep. Thank you so much for sharing. I think we've got some great insights. All of you here watching is a very inspiring interview for anyone watching here who's considering, okay, should I get started on this journey or not? Sandeep's story is an amazing one. So, Sandeep, if you have to break it down to top three things, which are the biggest takeaways that you got from Internet Lifestyle Hub and all my courses and stuff, what would be your top three?
So follow the system. First one is that,
Mm.
and the it doesn't matter who you are, just jump into the ground and just
Mm.
be the community, because community will be taking you where you haven't imagined actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Because
Specifically,
community, yeah,
in
because
your case, you are mentioning your accountability system. Yeah, go ahead. Mm.
accountability system is you need to create. No, Siddharth can't do anything, or anybody can't do anything until I don't take personal responsibility for my business and my family. Yeah, you
Mm.
can guide me, teach me, coach you, mentor me, or whatever, but it is my onus, personal onus, that I need to take it forward. And then you need to keep, and don't worry that you are not getting a good accountability partner. Everything is good, because in somebody's eyes you are not good. Only thing is that you need to be accountable with the, both of us, me and Sunil Podar and Sachin Hebbar, Ashish Raj, everybody became naked in front of everybody. Was
Mm.
whatever my systems are, just copy whatever my numbers are. I am talking to you, just copy that one, and that is what works. So we
Mm.
became so much accountable, and everything is a magical in front of me.
Amazing, Sandeep. Great. So, all of you here watching, just type amazing in the comment box because this is really a journey of transformation. And if you want to know more about what Sandeep is doing, on my YouTube channel description, there's a link to his website. You can go and check it out and find out how he's helping others get out of debt in the personal finance space. And if you want to get into this journey of the Internet Lifestyle Hub, uh, go to internetlifestylehub.com, check it out, watch my video, and get started. Join. I would want to personally welcome you into this community where we're building the next breed of digital teachers, irrespective of whether you have done this or not, irrespective of what niche, what background you may be in. We are here to create the next breed of teachers, digital teachers. And if we can create 1 million digital teachers who are teaching others in their own communities and building their own communities, it's going to create a ripple effect and it's going to really transform the society. So I want to welcome you personally into the community by going to internetlifestylehub.com. And I like to ask this question towards the end, which is Sandeep, this question is for you. Based on all the years of learning, your experience, if you have to bring it down to one success principle that you live by and that you'll continue to live by for the rest of your life, what is that one success principle?
So I will say that hunger with commitment.
Mm.
I am hungry, but if I don't want to go from this place to that place, it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Mm.
And one last profound statement I want to make:
Mm.
commitment will be taken, either you put for yourself or for others.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Great. Great set of, I love that. Hunger and commitment. That's what it really
Hunger
takes.
with commitment. Hunger with commitment.
Hunger with commitment.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sandeep. More power to you. And looking forward to the next interview when you hit a crore, implementing this model by when you enter the crore club. And rest of you here watching, please like and like this video. Share your comments below. If you're a part of our community, use the hashtag ILH family on what you learned from this, what you're going to be implementing for yourself. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook for more interviews like this. Once again, Sandeep, congratulations and wish you all the best in your next milestone.
Thank you so much. I will take only 1 minute next. Those I
Yes.
just wanted to really acknowledge and say thank you so much, Siddharth. You transformed the people's life, and it has been a great experience working with you.
Thank
And
you.
thank you so much for my family members, my my daughter Sanvi, who is right now less than 2 years, my wife Pankuri Gupta, and my accountability partners Sunil Podar, Sachin Hebbar, Leena Chandaniven, Vivek Gangadhar, Priyank. I learned a lot of things from him. Yeah, Hemu also come and jump into that one. Sunil Podar, all those people has helped me in all those things, right? So I really want
Awesome.
to thank you so much for that. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sandeep. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Bye bye.